Today's episode of Tech Startups and Entrepreneurship, Success Stories, Challenges, and Trends. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found insights that inspire your entrepreneurial journey. Remember, while the road may be tough, the rewards can be game-changing. Stay curious, keep innovating, and don't be afraid to take that leap. Until next time, keep building, dreaming, and disrupting. Segment 6, Looking to the Future. The future of tech startups is bright, but it's also evolving fast. The landscape is becoming more globalized, diverse, and tech-driven than ever before. As new technologies emerge and consumer needs change, the entrepreneurs who can stay ahead of trends and remain adaptable will be the ones who thrive. Startups are about more than just business, they're about innovation, resilience, and creating meaningful impact. Whether it's tackling environmental issues, reinventing industries, or building communities, tech startups have the potential to shape the world for the better. Segment 5, Expert Advice for Aspiring Entrepreneurs. If you're thinking of launching your own tech startup, what advice can help you succeed? Here are some expert tips. Validate your idea early. Don't spend months building a product without testing whether there's real demand. Talk to potential customers, get feedback, and pivot if necessary. Focus on problem solving. The most successful startups solve a clear, pressing problem. If you're not addressing a real pain point, even the best technology won't lead to success. Embrace adaptability. The startup journey is full of twists and turns. Be prepared to adapt, pivot, and iterate as you learn more about your market. Build a resilient team. Surround yourself with people who share your vision and complement your skills. A strong, motivated team is often the difference between success and failure. Be strategic with funding. While raising capital is essential, avoid diluting ownership too early. Bootstrap where possible and be selective about the investors you bring on board. Segment 4, Trends Shaping the Startup Landscape. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the trends shaping today's startup ecosystem. One of the most significant trends is the rise of remote-first startups. The pandemic accelerated remote work, and many new companies are building distributed teams from day one. This approach not only gives access to global talent, but also reduces overhead costs, making it easier to scale. Another key trend is the emphasis on sustainability and social impact. More entrepreneurs are aligning their startups with environmental and societal goals. Whether it's green tech, ethical AI, or impact investing, businesses are finding that purpose-driven models resonate with both consumers and investors. Tech automation and AI are also transforming startups, from streamlining operations to enhancing customer experiences. No-code and low-code platforms are empowering non-technical founders to build and launch products quickly. This democratization of tech is lowering barriers and enabling more diverse voices to enter the startup scene. Lastly, Web3 and blockchain are creating new opportunities, particularly in decentralized finance, DeFi, and creator-driven economies. While still nascent, these technologies could redefine how businesses operate and create value. Segment 3, Success Stories, Lessons from the Best. Despite the challenges, many tech startups have managed to break through and achieve phenomenal success. Let's look at a few examples and what we can learn from them. First, there's Shopify, which began as a small e-commerce platform for snowboards. Today, it's a multi-billion-dollar company empowering millions of merchants worldwide. The lesson here is to solve a specific problem with a scalable solution while staying customer-focused. Then there's Slack, originally launched as an internal tool for a failed gaming company. By pivoting and finding a new use case, the founders tapped into a growing demand for team communication tools. Sometimes, failure in one area opens up unexpected opportunities in another. Lastly, let's talk about Zoom. When it launched, the market was crowded with video conferencing tools. But by focusing relentlessly on ease of use and reliability, Zoom managed to outshine its competitors and became the go-to platform during the pandemic. This success story underscores the importance of solving core pain points better than anyone else. Segment 2, Challenges Faced by Founders. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Launching a tech startup comes with its own set of unique challenges. First off, securing funding is often a major hurdle. Whether through bootstrapping, venture capital, or angel investors, convincing others to believe in your vision can be. You need a strong pitch, a validated market need, and often a working prototype before getting any serious interest. Another challenge is building the right team. Early-stage startups require talent that is not just skilled, but also aligns with the company's culture and vision. Finding people who are willing to take risks and share your passion is critical. Then there's the ever-present challenge of scaling. Transitioning from a small team into a fully fledged organization while maintaining agility is something many startups struggle with. Beyond funding and team dynamics, competition is fierce. With so many new players entering the market, differentiating your product is more important than ever. Rapid innovation cycles, shifting consumer behaviors, and evolving regulations add layers of complexity. These challenges highlight that, while the startup ecosystem offers endless potential, success requires overcoming significant obstacles. Segment 1. The rise of tech startups. Tech startups are everywhere, from apps that simplify everyday tasks to platforms revolutionizing industries. But what's driving this surge? It's more than just the allure of becoming the next unicorn. Access to technology, low entry barriers, and global connectivity have democratized entrepreneurship. Today, anyone with an innovative idea and determination can launch a startup from almost anywhere in the world. Look at the rise of fintech, health tech, and AI-driven solutions. These sectors are attracting massive attention due to their potential to disrupt traditional industries. Success stories like Airbnb, Stripe, and Zoom inspire others to chase similar paths, showing that with the right mix of timing, execution, and innovation, small ideas can quickly scale into global businesses. Welcome to Tech Startups and Entrepreneurship, Success Stories, Challenges, and Trends. I'm Umesh Tharuka Malaviarachchi, and today we're diving into what it takes to build and scale a tech startup in the modern landscape. From breakthrough success stories to the common pitfalls and emerging trends, we'll unpack how entrepreneurs are navigating today's hyper-competitive market. Whether you're an aspiring founder, a seasoned entrepreneur, or just curious about the tech world, this episode is for you.